Hey guys, today we will take a look at how to create a mobile app in the 3 minutes. So let's start by changing directory to documents folder, and then I will create a folder by make directory command, and I will name it mobile app. Now let's get into this folder and install Vue native package. Also we will install it globally so we don't have to install it again for any other project. Okay, the first package is done, and now we need to install the Expo CLI that will allow us to transform the Vue native into a mobile app. Now clear the console by typing clear, and we can create a Vue native project by typing Vue native in it and the name for the project, which is first app in this case. The console created a directory called first app, so let's change directory into it, and now we have access to commands like npm start, npm iOS, npm android, but we will type npm start and this window will pop up. Now you can just simply take your phone and scan the QR code to test your app. You need to have installed an Expo app on your phone, so download it from the App Store. Also be sure to have downloaded Xcode for iOS and Android Studio for Android's version of the app. As you can see, we have the app running on our phone, so now we can open the folder we created in Visual Studio. In the VS Code we can open the app.vue and there we can edit the app. Let's change the text to our first app and set the color as green. Now let's add a button that will show a pop-up to us. Those elements are similar to HTML ones, but with different names. Even that we have a button named the same, the text element, for example, is element that supports both iOS and Android as element that contains text. We can modify the button by setting attributes like title and color, and we can assign event for pressing by typing onPress, and then name of the method as we would in normal Vue.js application. Then we need to create standard export script as in Vue.js and create a method in method object. We will create a simple alert function that will show us if the button works. Now we can simply save the file and in the phone it will automatically update. So I hope you enjoyed this 3-minute tutorial and I'll be glad to see you next time.